no, not Ricer Rescue. Last time I watched this show, my dick fall off.
It's time for the Ricer Rescue Update!
We did Gabriel's clutch and throw-out bearing right, and then we did my fucking clutch and throw-out bearing right, and then we did Rick's clutch and throw-out bearing right, and now we're doing Tommy's throw-out bearing and clutch. I'ma throw out this shit right out the fucking window.
That's not it either.
Ah, the great Ricer Rescue tradition of selecting the wrong sockets. Just like you selected the wrong fucking video. Or how your dad selected the wrong condom. Oops. Hey! Hey, his fucking car's dripping oil!
There you go, let it walk there.
Bitchin'. I still like to see things go right. Gives me a real big hard on. Just like the power plant frame.
So we've been on this for like 30 minutes, and we've already got the power plant frame off, and the catalytic converter off. So now we're taking apart the interior, then the starter, and the slave cylinder, then we can pull the transmission off.
Okay, but now let's talk about something really important. How many extra horsepower do we get here?
300. Bitch. 0 to 60 in 0 seconds, huh? Yeah, I love it. Nothing. Fuck yeah.
Even with assistance and a professional tool handler, we still get the wrong fucking sockets. If you're here looking for instructions, well, you're fucked. You ain't gonna find that shit here. Not today, motherfucker. I've had enough of this throw-out nonsense, wiggly wobbly bullshit. Fuck, Darian, are you trying to break it? Oh, fuck, indeed. I thought this was gonna be nice and easy peasy jappa fucking easy, but no. No, even with a bunch of people, it's still a bunch of bullshit.
Okay, now I need to get another guy other than me under here. One on the front of the transmission, and I'll get the back of the transmission. We just need to wiggle this bitch off.
I really appreciate how we're not using any safety devices here. Ratchet strap? No. Transmission jack? No, just use a floor jack. Look, it might kill you, but who cares? Dying under your car is what Ricer Rescue is all about.
Just fucking hot.
Just dropped the transmission out. We're fixing to change the clutch in it. The problem he was having was, and basically any gear, if you gave it more than about 25% throttle, the clutch would slip. The clutch looks like it has plenty of meat on it. I'm thinking that the pressure plate isn't applying enough pressure and letting the clutch disc actually slip inside there, which may have glazed the clutch disc over time because it's been progressively getting worse. But, like I said, the clutch disc has plenty of material left on it, so we're fixing to pull it off and see.
See, it's still got plenty of life left in it. It has kind of a glazed look to it, like it's real shiny. Shouldn't be that way.
Oh, is school over now? Bitch! Is school over? I'm just asking because I'm not sure. I mean, should I put my stuff away? Is it over? Is it okay?
Put the clutch back.
Okay, now that school is done, you can see that we're putting the fucking clutch back in. It's very simple, very nice. We would like to go forward, but we cannot because, well, we don't have a fucking throw-out bearing, and this one is fucking broken.
Your clutch is out.
Tommy's going to get another throw-out bearing because this is bad.
It's dinner time.
There's the new one.
It's from China.
It's silent. But this one is very loud. Holy shit.
Bitch is squealing.
Yeah.
Okay, enough fooling around. It is time to get back to business. And now that we have the throw-out bearing inside of the bell housing, we have to put the transmission back on the car. Shortcut, shortcut, shortcut. Don't do things properly. Safety is for bitches. Gonna do it like this. Okay, you want to talk about safety? Well, let's talk about sucking my dick.
We got that. It's not tight or anything.
Time to put the power plant frame back on the vehicle because the transmission is in a state of mental security, unlike our fan base. And that is the sound my mind makes every time somebody watches our video.
Bitch, you got your 1 second, now what?
But this is the
Okay, so I know that some of you little children do not know what is the fuck going on right here. So let me explain to you. We have the transmission. It gets bolted to the engine. And then the drive line, the drive shaft, gets put in the butthole of the transmission. It goes all the way to the differential, which is your best little friend. The differential is what allows you to do donuts and burnouts and skid marks right on your parents' lawn!
So we just applied the clutch. The clutch pedal bracket is actually broken on one side. It should be fine for a little bit, but eventually the other side will break. So I just recommended him to have the clutch pedal bracket welded whenever he gets a chance.
Yeah, so we just finished changing out the clutch and the pressure plate, and the exhaust had a broken bolt that wouldn't go in straight. So we're saying, fuck it, we're starting it up.
That's quiet. It's too quiet.
If you're not sure what you just watched, it's okay. We aren't either. But don't tell your friends because they won't understand our relationship. See you next time.